Hi, it's Julie from Clever Poppy, and I'm going to teach you today how to make your own cute little DIY gift box, perfect for an advent calendar or Christmas gifts. Grab a piece of A4 card and then using a ruler, draw a line right around each of the edges. Just the width of your ruler is fine for your first try, and then scour each of those lines so that they'll crease easily. Now go around and fold each of those lines towards the middle. They should fold easily now that you've scoured them with the little craft knife. And then fold up each of the short sides so that it touches that fold line at the top. This will create the side of the box. Scour those too so that they'll fold easily as well. Your box looks a lot better with nice crisp folds. Now grab your scissors and cut up to the fold line along each of the long sides. This is going to create the tabs of your box that will hold it together. Fold in the tabs and the sides and you can start to see how the box is coming together. Grab some double-sided tape, or you can use glue if you're willing to wait and hold it together. You can hold it together with clips, but I use double-sided tape and just popped some on each of the tabs and then pressed it up into the box shape. Really quick and easy. And now you just do the same with the two tabs on the top of the box. Press it all in nice and firmly and you'll be so amazed that all of a sudden you have made your own DIY gift box. Wasn't that easy? You can experiment with the size, paper you use and the width of the ruler to make different shaped boxes as well. So wasn't that easy and fun? No templates needed or special things to print out. All you need is a sheet of A4 card. So visit my website for lots more fun ideas. See you there!